Well, good Thursday afternoon to y'all. Y'all know who it is. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy, I sure enough hope everybody's having a good Thursday. Kind of like a pre-Friday. It's almost close to that weekend. But yes, y'all, it looks like it is fixing to come a flood over here. That's thunder that you hear. So what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is how I preserve or freeze my purple hull peas over here at my home in the sticks. So give me a second and we're gonna get off in this shop and I'm gonna show you what I'm finna do. All right, you and y'all, here we go. Dan, you talking about putting up some purple hull peas, freezing them and whatnot. Your purple hull peas didn't make. You're right, mine didn't. But I have a buddy of mine that has a brother that plants about 50 acres of purple hull peas, and guess what? His made. Let me show you. Look at there. This is 1 bushel of Mississippi pink eye purple hull peas, and I'm here to tell you them jokers are pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take these purple hull peas and I'm gonna put them in this container right here, and I'm gonna give them a bath. I'm gonna wash them. I'm gonna pick out all the bad peas, and we're gonna get to blanching these guys, but we'll get into that here in a second. So let me get these guys off in this pan, get them washed up, and I'll bring you right back. All right, y'all, I finally got all of these purple hull peas washed up. I had to do it in 2 batches because I just couldn't fit a whole bushel in my bowl, but there it is. They're washed and good to go. The next step is I have a showing up big old boiler, and I've actually put the first batch in there. I'm gonna add the second batch into the boiler, and then we are gonna rock and roll on. Now, the game plan is I'm actually gonna fill this bowl up with some water just to cover the peas, and we are gonna boil these. We're gonna blanch, well actually we're gonna bring this boiler up to a boil, and we're gonna blanch these purple hull peas for about 30 minutes. So let me get the water in this, this boiler, and we're gonna get down to step 2. All right, y'all. I actually have the stove on. We're going to try to bring this boiler to a full boil, and we're going to boil these purple hull peas for 30 minutes. We're going to blanch them for 30 minutes. Dan, you said you had to wash the purple hull peas. What do you mean? Tell us what you mean. Well, you have to wash your purple hull peas. You have to pick through them. There's a bunch of purple hull peas in here that are just, you probably shouldn't cook. Here's one right here. See how dark that is? I apologize for the light, y'all, because it's been storming here for the last probably hour. I'm surprised I ain't lost electricity yet. But you have to pick through them. You want to get those out, or as many of them as you can get out. It's kind of like when you wash your beans, red beans, white beans. You want to put them in a bowl of water. You want to get all the beans that are just not good to eat. You want to get them out. Same concept with the purple hull peas. Dan, you're blanching your peas, your purple hull peas. Are you seasoning them? No, I'm not. I'm not putting anything. That's just nothing but water and purple hull peas, and we're gonna blanch them. I like to actually blanch them guys for 30 minutes, and when we put them up, and we'll get to that whenever we get to that step, but I like to actually season my peas once I go to cooking them. All right, y'all, we are at a good rolling boil over here. So what I'm gonna do is I got my timer set. So give me about 30 minutes and I'll be right back with you. All right, y'all, it's been 30 minutes that these purple hull peas have been blanching. I'm here to tell you, that ain't nothing but a big old pot of goodness. Maybe y'all can see it. So what we're gonna do now is I'm just gonna go on and move this this boiler off to the side, and I'm gonna let these purple hull peas cool down in the liquid. So I don't know how long that's gonna take, so give me a second. All right, you and y'all, let me show you Took several hours for these purple hull peas to cool down, but let me show you what I ended up with. I have 10 bags of purple hull peas that I actually put in some quart freezer bags, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these guys in the deep freeze over there, and once they get frozen up, I'm going to go ahead and seal them up with the food saver. I was going to show y'all, well, no, I wasn't going to show y'all me putting the peas and liquid into the bags because, but there you have it. Are the measurements exact? No, they're not. I just put peas in the quart bags and just roll with it, added liquid to it. But it's going to last me for, you know, a few months because I really love purple hull peas. This is how I freeze my purple hull peas over here at my home in the sticks. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like it, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff, really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. You know Dan's sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Especially when you're putting up some pink-eyed purple hull peas from Mississippi. And we will see you and y'all in the next video.